Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use BlipCut.com. It is used to generate AI audios. So here you can translate subtitles, you can create an AI voiceover, translate audio. There's also YouTube video translator, voice cloning, and AI clip maker. So I'm just going to go with AI voiceover right now. And here I'm just going to select the create voiceover tab. I'm just going to enter a text here. You can also kind of like listen to them before you generate, I guess. So,
There are
okay.
no straight lines.
If one is lucky.
What's new and what?
Life is like...
Don't be afraid.
I've never been hurt by anything I didn't...
Don't smother each other.
Change in all things is sweet.
I'll use this one.
Change in all things is sweet.
Wait. Okay, and then what do I do now? This? Do I press that? I guess I do. Oh, it's gonna take so long to load, but I think you're just... Oh, there we go.
If one day you never hear from me again, please remember this. I loved you with everything I had. I made you my priority in ways I never thought I could. Out of all the paths to take, so many people I could have chosen.
Okay, you just do that, and then you can add another block with even a different voice, and then you're just going to select download, and that's it. And that is how you can use blip.com. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.